Do you run a business? Have you heard of forensic accounting? It may sound like a complicated term, but it's actually a very useful tool for businesses. Forensic accounting is a specialized field that helps uncover financial fraud and discrepancies within a company. In simpler terms, it's like being a financial detective for your business. But did you know that forensic accounting can do much more than just catch fraudsters? In fact, it can offer surprising benefits to your business that you may not have considered before. In this blog post, we'll explore ways that forensic accounting can help your business grow and thrive. Finding the hidden money. One of the most valuable roles an accountant plays is uncovering money that might otherwise go unnoticed. From overlooked deductions to unclaimed credits, accountants have the skills to identify opportunities that can save you substantial amounts. Spotting overlooked deductions. Many businesses miss deductions because they are unaware of what qualifies. An accountant carefully reviews expenses, ensuring that every eligible cost is captured, maximizing tax benefits. By understanding tax laws in detail, accountants can strategically plan transactions to reduce tax liability, keeping more money in your business or personal accounts. They dig through all kinds of financial records, like sales reports, expense accounts, and payroll records. Their keen eyes and sharp minds can spot things that others might miss. Imagine them as super smart squirrels, tirelessly hunting for financial acorns that are hidden away in your business's accounting tree. So, if you're feeling like there's a financial puzzle that you just can't solve, a forensic accountant might be the hero you need. They can bring your hidden money back into the light, helping you use it in ways that can grow and strengthen your business. And who knows, they might even uncover more than you expected. Catching the bad guys. Picture this: a superhero swooping in to save the day from sneaky villains trying to steal your hard-earned money. That's what a forensic accountant does for your business. These are the people who stand on the front lines, ready to protect your business from white-collar criminals. The sly foxes who might be hiding in your ranks or lurking outside, ready to snatch away your profits through crafty tricks and schemes. Accountants do more than just crunch numbers. They act as financial watchdogs. Detecting fraud and errors early can prevent costly mistakes. Monitoring transactions. Regular reviews of your accounts help identify unusual patterns or discrepancies. This vigilance ensures that irregularities are addressed promptly, protecting your business. By catching potential issues early, accountants help safeguard your assets and maintain your reputation with clients, banks, and investors, keeping your business healthy. Ever gone to the doctor for a regular checkup to make sure you're as healthy as can be? A forensic accountant does a similar kind of health check for your business. It's like they're the doctors of your business, using a stethoscope to listen to your company's financial heartbeat. This process is known as due diligence. Just like you need to eat right, exercise, and get plenty of sleep to stay healthy, your business needs to maintain healthy financial habits. They can help make sure that's happening. A forensic accountant dives deep into the sea of numbers and data that your business produces every day, inspecting everything from your company's income and expenses to its assets and liabilities. Beyond taxes and compliance, accountants play a crucial role in maintaining the overall financial health of a business. Tracking cash flow, understanding how money moves in and out of your business is key. Accountants help monitor cash flow to avoid shortfalls or overdrafts. Budgeting and forecasting, strategic planning is easier with accurate financial projections. Accountants provide insights to plan for growth, expansion, and unexpected expenses, helping to solve money puzzles. Ever had a tough time solving a jigsaw puzzle? Money matters in your business can sometimes feel just like that, full of pieces that just don't seem to fit together. Maybe there are numbers that look out of place, or perhaps your sales records aren't adding up to your profits. This is when a forensic accountant turns into your very own money detective. They use their smarts, their understanding of accounting principles, and their special data analytics tool to figure out these financial puzzles. Imagine your business financials like a big jigsaw puzzle, and the forensic accountant as a master puzzle solver. They don't just randomly try to fit pieces together, but carefully analyze each piece. Forensic accountants have a keen eye for noticing if a piece is missing or if one seems to be from a completely different puzzle. Every business faces financial questions and challenges. Accountants provide clarity in situations that may seem complex or confusing. Analyzing financial reports, by interpreting balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports, accountants give you actionable insights for decision-making. Offering strategic advice, whether it's choosing between investments, pricing strategies, or managing debt, accountants provide guidance that aligns with your goals, saving you from money troubles. Imagine playing a game of dodgeball. The balls coming your way are tax evasion and money laundering. You could be facing hefty fines or, worse, some scary jail time. Whoosh! Here comes a forensic accountant, just in time to catch those balls and toss them away, saving your business from getting hit. Finally, accountants act as a safety net, helping you avoid or mitigate financial problems before they escalate. Planning for the unexpected, from emergency funds to tax planning, accountants anticipate challenges that could disrupt your business. Reducing financial risk through careful record-keeping, audits, and proactive advice. Accountants minimize the chance of costly mistakes or legal issues. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.